Hello dear traders. Thank you very much for watching our video review. We will look at the main indicators of the corporation Toyota Motor Corporation ADR, ticker, TM. This review is based on information as of May 20, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets company Toyota Motor Corporation ADR belongs to the subcategory Autoprom. 7 organizations are involved in the comparison. This is unrepresentative. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, it is possible to place a stop. We propose to study each indicator of the corporation under study more thoroughly. You can view the table with the ticker structure using the link in the pinned comment. I kindly ask you to give a link to this issue to your friends. Thank you very much for your repost and other help. It all helps a lot in further work. Well, friends, we will finally begin. Market capitalization of the company Toyota Motor Corporation ADR valued at $273.25 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $569 billion. Toyota Motor Corporation ADR accounts for a share of 47.991%. This is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $226.09 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $513 billion. Toyota Motor Corporation ADR accounts for a share of 44.061%. Having made a comparison of the shares occupied by the exchange and book value, we will see the following. Occupied share Toyota Motor Corporation ADR in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 47.991%. The book value is 44.061%, which is 8% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Final company assessment Toyota Motor Corporation ADR will be demonstrated towards the end of the video. Please review the progress of the analysis in full. The company's debts amount to $241.92 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 107% of equity. Assessment by the level of the company's financial liabilities. Bad, -1 point. The balance of the company's market price to its profit is 8.7. The average for the subcategory is 7.3 and this is 16% higher than for the subcategory. An assessment of the company's market price to earnings ratio in comparison with the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. Profits for the last 12 months amounted to $34,276 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $30,856 million. 10% less than now. Assessment of projected future profits in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0.9. The subcategory average of 0.6 is 50% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $311,770 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $280,660 million. And this is 10% less than at the current moment. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, 0 points. If you are interested in this analytics, then in this case, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. The margin is 11%, with an average in the subcategory of 7.7%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 3.3%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 31.839%, which is 51% less than the share of market capitalization. This shows the discrepancy between the company's market price. Toyota Motor Corporation ADR, probably towards revaluation. The amount of capital per company employee is $728,000. And in the subcategory there are $483,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 50.7%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The profit per employee is $91,300. With an average in the subcategory of $66,200. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 38%. Estimation of profit per each employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The share of sales per individual employee of the company is $831,000. By subcategory $863,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 4%. Estimation of the share of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. Shares for sale correspond to 0%, with a subcategory average of 2.1%. This is an assessment of a possible short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 40% for the company Toyota Motor Corporation ADR. While in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 49%. Potentially, shares of the subcategory are valued higher than those of the company Toyota Motor Corporation ADR. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Toyota Motor Corporation ADR and subcategory companies. We will see that over the last 12 months the shares Toyota Motor Corporation ADR showed dynamics of 54.7%. 23% are against price changes in the subcategory. This does not clearly indicate anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Before showing the final score, I kindly ask. Leave your rating Toyota Motor Corporation ADR in the comments to the video. We read all the comments and try very hard to respond to every response in the comments. Your comments help the development of the channel Guru.Markets. Result: -1.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory: 0.9 points. If you look very broadly, within the market in general. Note that the average result for the entire stock market in total is 0.3 points. Against a score of -1.5 points for Toyota Motor Corporation ADR. Let's go to the orders table. It is available. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly made decisions by the information system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company Toyota Motor Corporation ADR. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Do not open an order due to Toyota Motor Corporation ADR, not an underrated company in the subcategory. Thank you so much to the audience for watching this video and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets. You all truly are the coolest audience on the planet.